Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to embark on a journey into the future, where technology meets innovation and cool gadgets are born. In today's video, we're about to unveil some extraordinary devices that will leave you in awe. These cutting-edge creations are set to change the way we live, work, and play. From sleek designs to mind-blowing features, we've got it all covered. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of innovation and imagination. It's time to discover the cool gadgets of tomorrow, today. Hypershell Exoskeleton. For the ultimate companion to elevate your everyday adventures, look no further than the Hypershell Exoskeleton. This revolutionary exoskeleton features a powerful 1-horsepower M1 bionic motor that effortlessly offsets up to 30 kilograms of weight, making hiking, running, and mountaineering a breeze. With its full alloy frame and weatherproof design, it ensures exceptional durability while remaining ultralight at just 1.8 kilograms. Activate Hyper Mode for extra horsepower, benefit from 14 high-precision sensors, and enjoy a remarkable 25-kilometer range with the Hypershell. Trinity Magnetic Quick Release Knife. When seeking the cutting tool that brilliantly fuses innovation and practicality, your search ends with the Trinity Magnetic Quick Release Knife. This cutting-edge design, crafted from titanium, redefines the way we approach cutting tasks. Its double magnetic ring closing system ensures secure storage, and the inclusion of replaceable stainless steel SK5 blades adds to its versatility. The handle's ergonomic cookouts provide maximum comfort, while its waterproof and corrosion-resistant features make it a reliable companion for any adventure. Vulkit Pop Up Wallet. The Vulkit Pop Up Wallet is a stylish and secure way to carry your essentials. Embracing a distinctive camouflage black design, this wallet stands out while efficiently organizing your cards and cash. Constructed from robust aviation aluminum, it features a specially designed slider mechanism for secure storage of up to 5 cards, ensuring swift access. Interior elastic compartments expand the card holding capacity for a snug fit. With added RFID and NFC blocking technology, it protects your privacy by preventing unauthorized wireless communication. Sleek, slim, and secure, the Vulkit Pop Up Wallet is a must-have accessory for everyday convenience, setting you apart with its cutting-edge design. Lever Gear Edge XT Multitool. The Lever Gear Edge XT Multitool is a game-changer for your everyday carry. This versatile tool combines a retractable utility blade with 10 essential functions, redefining your daily tasks. Its compact and lightweight design ensures effortless portability on keychains or in your pocket, guaranteeing you're always prepared. With one-handed operation, a safety lock switch, and a quick-release feature, this tool offers both efficiency and security. Crafted from durable metal with a sleek satin finish, the Edge XT seamlessly marries functionality with durability, earning high praise from EDC enthusiasts for its style and effectiveness. Vulkit Airtag Protective Case. The Vulkit Airtag Protective Case is the ultimate solution for safeguarding your Apple Airtag. This premium soft PU leather case is meticulously crafted with precision to provide a snug and elegant fit, offering protection that exceeds typical plastic holders. Its dual-sided open design guarantees a strong signal, while the integrated keychain adds functionality, allowing attachment to keys, luggage, and more. With a selection of stylish colors, durable construction, and a metallic keychain, this case combines both style and reliability, ensuring that your AirTag remains secure and well-protected wherever it goes. Mjolnir Tie Jewelry. Mjolnir Tie Jewelry offers utilitarian jewelry inspired by Norse mythology. Crafted from a Grade 5 titanium alloy, these pendants are both stylish and durable, embodying eco-friendliness. The Thor's Hammer pendant cleverly conceals a fire starter, while the Loki pendant hides a hidden blade for emergency situations, thanks to patent-pending mechanisms that securely hold these tools in place. Ideal companions for hiking, camping, water activities, and unforeseen emergencies. Mjolnir Tie Jewelry seamlessly combines aesthetics and practicality, making it a must-have for the adventurous. Hoto Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro. The Hoto Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro is a must-have for both do-it-yourself enthusiasts and professionals. It's designed to cover all your maintenance needs with its extensive range of S2 steel drill bits. This versatile tool can adeptly handle a wide spectrum of tasks, from gadget repairs to delicate watch adjustments. When unfolded, it becomes a comprehensive workstation, and its slim 2.6-centimeter design ensures portability for on-the-go repairs. With 48 premium accessories, including multifunction spudgers and a magnetizer or demagnetizer, this kit is meticulously crafted to provide a solution for all your repair challenges, tailored to your specific requirements, making it the ultimate precision screwdriver solution. Scrub Daddy BBQ Grill Brush. The Scrub Daddy BBQ Grill Brush is a powerful and effective solution for tackling stubborn grill grime. With flexible stainless steel fibers, it effortlessly cuts through tough residue, eliminating the need for potentially harmful wire bristles. Thanks to its inventive water-activated concept and Scrub Daddy's exclusive flex texture foam core, this brush uses steam to dissolve months of cooking residue. It even includes a uniquely shaped built-in scraper for reaching between grill grates with ease. Cleaning up is a breeze as the scouring head removes easily for washing, ensuring long-lasting performance. Horl Knife Sharpener. The Horl Knife Sharpener is a revolutionary solution for your knife sharpening needs. This meticulously engineered marvel from Germany features an innovative design with interchangeable grinding discs and a magnetic angle support, providing a tailored sharpening experience with unmatched ease. Its versatility allows it to handle knives of varying hardness levels, thanks to its industrial-grade diamond abrasives. Whether you're tackling robust kitchen tasks or delicate cutting work like sushi, the Horl Knife Sharpener delivers, with adjustable grinding angles of 20 degrees and extra fine 15 degrees, ensuring long-lasting razor-sharp edges. It's a must-have for culinary enthusiasts and professionals alike. Metaedc Musketeer Fidget Slider Toy. The Metaedc Musketeer Fidget Slider Toy is a remarkable blend of style and utility, making it an exceptional addition to the world of fidget toys. With intricate Musketeer-inspired detailing and a refined finish, this gadget transcends traditional fidget devices. It caters to individuals of all ages, offering a satisfying tactile experience that aids in stress relief and anxiety management. Featuring an array of buttons, switches, and sliders, this toy enhances focus, dexterity, and fine motor skills. Its high-quality construction ensures longevity, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. Compact and portable, it easily accompanies you in any situation, from classrooms to offices, providing a calming and engaging diversion. The Metaedc Musketeer Fidget Slider Toy is the perfect fusion of aesthetics and functionality, offering both an enjoyable and productive fidgeting experience. Brumate Backtap. The Brumate Backtap is a game-changer for anyone who enjoys beverages on the go. This innovative container combines the convenience of a backpack with a built-in, pressurized keg system. With a generous 128-ounce capacity, it's perfect for keeping your favorite beverages cold and fresh, ready to dispense through the integrated tap. The Backtap is made from high-quality, insulated stainless steel, ensuring your drinks stay at the ideal temperature for hours. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or simply hanging out with friends, the Brumate Backtap adds a fun and efficient element to your outdoor or social gatherings, making it a must-have for beverage enthusiasts. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Your support inspires us to create better videos. Feel free to comment with questions or topic suggestions. Thanks for tuning in, stay curious, and see you in the next video.